Is all alone. Fly scores for 2. Ayun na.
Kanina pa nandun po si Lua eh. Buti na sinerte yung minalabak sa rebound doon.
Ayan na si Bare. Fakes for 3. Attacking the defense. Bare
Oh, yeah.
using the glass and 1.
Tinapik pa coach kasi ni Albao going up na, tinapik niya pa.
Ayan na, sayang. Pwede na sana dito pick.
Great body control para dito kay Bare.
And credit dun sa kanyang fake talaga. Ang fly-by move talaga.
Palang po, still a bearing game. Pag nanalo ang Libmanan and then mamaya naman, yung mananalo mamaya, depende kung mananalo yung Pamplona, magkakaroon tayo ng triple time.
Yes, and Amina again. Ooh, what a shot. Yun na partner. Medyo mabagal pero effective.
Sinuklayan pa.
Oo. For his teammates, yan na si Belica. Luha for 3. No good. Rebound. Ni Razon, tinapik papunta kay Bare. 2 against 2. Bare attacking Belica. Bare with the fake. And 1 for Bare. Ayan na.
Sa aggressiveness nila, nandiyan na. At yung depensa ng Milaor, tinighten up na nila yung defense. That's why sunod-sunod nila yung puntos nila.
And that 3-point play is brought to by Hotel Venecia. That end 1. Ayan, ganda. Good.
Malakas. Pero nandun, si Rexy Sanchez on the rebound at nakuha pa, nakabalik kay Albaniel yung bola. Tumira ngayon si Pasibe almost losing the ball. Another floater at yun! Pasok yun! May pa-end 1 pa!
Gandang hustle.
Grabe
Gandang
talaga.
tira.
Makikita mo yung talagang determination niya to shoot the ball even when he is heavily guarded by nitong si
Romero.
Marcel Romero. Grabe yung concentration coach, ano?
Grabe. And yung
Larong ito, kakaumpisa pa lang talagang nafe-feel na natin yung intensity, yung physicality ng laro. Ayan, nakuha ng mga taga San Jose na, bola, Albaniel. Nakita si Remoto mula kay Pasibe. Sayang. Hindi kayang itira ni Pasibe dahil merong malalaking defenders na nasa harapan niya. At nakita niyang mas open si Remoto.
may naka-recover na defense from transition. Doon tayo ka pa, Morgan.
Grabe.
Yan yung $1 million play. Pero
Sayang naman.
centavo shot.
Oo.
Sayang. Pero good showing still.
And the Sanchez. Corner 3, Mentes nakuha niya ang kanyang
Grabe,
rebound with the
pa rin.
spin.
The spin.
And using the glass for 2.
Mukhang problema na talaga to ng
Ticker. Ang pasok.
swerte talaga pag tinatamaan yung
Oh,
ikot. Yun yung
ayan na.
ikot 360.
Oo.
360 and into the air. Napakaganda.
Grabe.
Kasi it was almost a lost ball.
Okay, Corarucan kicks the ball to Luzada. Open for top of the key 3. Mentes. Nagar with the rebound. Ayan na si Nagar against Plaza. Nagar squeezes for 2.
Grabe naman
Grabe.
yun. Parang horizontal shot.
Ayan na si Corarucan against Pasibe. Dito sa Libmanan. For sure, sa susunod na season 2 natin, sigurado yan. For sure, magkakaroon to ng mas exciting at mas malakas na Team Libmanan. For sure.
Magre-reload.
Yes, ayan na. Ayan na again. Sharif Lopez with the dipsy do. For 2, grabe Iris. Pasok na.
Lista mo na.
Mahirapan na nga makabuelo dito si Nagar kasi yun na nga yung diskarte ng Team Goa. I-double team siya. A quick fast break and a nice behind the back pass.
Grabe. Nilista mo na. Sa top 10 plays of the week natin yung pasa ni Michael Pan papunta sa number 13 na si Goa. Ay
That-
si Padua.
Pass is brought to you by Miss Sinis Bay. Rai Island. Napakagandang pasa.
And full court pressure now. They no need to foul. They just have to defend well. 3 points ang kailangan nila dito. And a steal naman. Eugene Valiapre launches a three! Yes! What a shot by Eugene Valiapre, saving his team from
Mukhang nangangamoy! Overtime
a
talaga!
near losing. Woo!
Kitang-kita.
At yan, nagkagulo na po dito sa loob ng Sangay Sports Complex.